And if you know anything about the old and the new MacGyver, very similar to Doctor Who in that MacGyver doesn't carry a gun. He makes changes in the world with his brains, his science knowledge, and his ability to think fast in any situation. So in essence, nobody knew it, but he was an American Doctor Who, if you think about it. That personality of male, right? And I have to cop to the fact that I haven't watched the new MacGyver. I'll bet you that it's lovely, but I can't get past Richard Dean Anderson as my MacGyver, so too bad. But that's what Terry Nation brought into the story. Many of you, if you're science fiction fans, will know Douglas Adams. Maybe not from Doctor Who, but he did in fact write for Doctor Who and was a story editor for one season. So of course we know him from The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. He wrote a few episodes of Doctor Who, including The Pirate Planet, and he worked with this character, Romana, who is a Lady Time Lord. So naturally we know that in their alien species there were female characters. And she's intelligent and she matches the Doctor for wit and for charm and all of that. So we had, the early feeling of there can be women doing this adventuring.